This video is sponsored by Foddiejay, providers of unique and sophisticated case. Kindly support this channel by visiting their Instagram page. The link is in the description box below. Thank you. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Do not forget to support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon so you can be notified when I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple home remedy for fighting dandruff. These things are things you can find in your house at every point in time. Dandruff is a common name for seborrheic dermatitis on the scalp, a condition that causes red, flaky, and itchy skin as a result of too much yeast that's present on oily area of the skin. The only difference is that dandruff is restricted to the scalp, while seborrheic dermatitis can affect other areas of your body. The first remedy I'll be showing you is called aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which is one of the major ingredients in our medicated shampoo. Crush 2 tablets and add to normal amount of shampoo. Massage this into your hair and leave to rest for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse it off. After this, wash again with your normal shampoo, that is, without the aspirin this time. The second remedy is tea tree oil. Add to a portion of shampoo and give your hair a normal wash. The third remedy is baking soda. Put a handful of baking soda on your wet hair, then massage rigorously. Skip shampooing and head for rinsing after several minutes. Baking soda reduces overactive fungi that can cause dandruff. Your hair might be dry for a while, but later it starts producing oil for the hair, making your hair looking so beautiful and reduces itch. The fourth ingredient is our super apple cider vinegar. The acidity of apple cider vinegar changes the pH level of the scalp, making it hard for yeast to grow. Put a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar plus a quarter cup of water in a spray bottle and spray on your scalp. Wrap head with towel for 15 minutes to 1 hour. Wash as usual. Do twice a week and this would get rid of dandruff totally. The fifth remedy is alcohol-based mouthwash. For a bad case of dandruff, shampoo your hair, then rinse with alcohol-based mouthwash. Afterwards, use a conditioner for your hair. Its antifungal properties helps prevent dandruff causing yeast from growing. The sixth remedy is coconut oil. Everybody loves coconut oil. Before shower, massage 3 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil into your scalp. Leave to sit for 1 hour, then shampoo normally. You can also use shampoo which contains coconut oil to get best results. The seventh remedy we'll be looking at today is lemon. Massage your scalp with 2 tablespoons of lemon. Then add 1 tablespoon to a cup of water. After massaging, rinse your hair with the 1 cup of water which 1 tablespoon was added to. Repeat daily until dandruff disappears. The 8th ingredient we'll be looking at is salt. Salt in a shaker. Shake some salt into your scalp, then massage properly. Work out the dry and flaky skin, then wash with shampoo for best results. The 9th remedy is aloe vera. It doubles as both dandruff and itch fighter. To stop itchy scalp, massage some aloe vera gel into your scalp before shampooing. If you're not sure why you itch even though you don't have dandruff, try out the aloe vera remedy by massaging some aloe vera gel into your scalp for best results. The 10th remedy is garlic. Garlic's antimicrobial element helps fight dandruff causing bacteria. Crush some garlic and rub it in your scalp. To avoid smell, mix with honey. Massage properly, then wash off with your usual shampoo. The 11th and last remedy is olive oil. Massage 10 drops of olive oil into your scalp, then wear a shower cap. Leave to sit overnight, then wash off with an olive oil shampoo if you have, or you can as well wash off with your normal shampoo for best results. These are the 11 remedies for eliminating dandruff, but I'm going to be showing you my own recipe that I have been using over the years and has worked for me over time, so please stay tuned. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this dandruff remedy, and this is my measuring spoon, and also this is the lemon. This is our Niger lemon, so we'll manage it. This is my bowl. Salt, water, and my baking soda, pure baking soda. Then that's the apple cider vinegar and my knife. Let's go there. I'm going to be cutting this lemon into half, and into two. Yeah, so I just wanted to see what the lemon really looks like. It's not the foreign lemon, it's the Nigerian lemon, but it's very effective, very strong, concentrated. Okay, I'll be squeezing this into the bowl. We really need to squeeze this very hard. I need to get out as many juice as I can, as much as I can, sorry. Then I have some particles, so I have to ensure that I remove all the seed and the pulp. So now it's crystal clear. Now I'm going to be adding my baking soda. Yep, it took me a while to open it, but I finally did. So I'm just going to be adding 1 teaspoon of the baking soda to the lemon juice. It has to be a leveled spoon, so I'm trying to ensure it's all leveled. Might not be accurate, but it is leveled. As you can see, the mixture begins to foam. So I have to stir it so that I can incorporate properly. Then I add my super apple cider vinegar. I love apple cider vinegar, it's so effective. So I'm just going to be adding 1 tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar. I don't think so Now I'm going to stir this properly. Yeah, I'm going to stir properly for it to incorporate properly. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'll also stir this in. As you can see, my niece, she's disturbing me there. She won't let me rest. She thinks it's ice cream she wants to drink. Little does she know. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Just to reduce the concentration. Now I'm going to stir this. I'm going to stir it. After stirring it, I'm going to pour half of the mixture into the bottle of water. Then I'm going to keep half for myself. I'm just going to mix the half I'm going to pour into the water. I'm just going to keep that one aside. Then the half in the container, I'm going to use it for myself directly on my scalp. Yeah. That's the half. Now this is the soft touch I'm going to be using. This is like what we use to cleanse our face, so I'm just going to put it into the container and dab it into my hair. Ensure that I touch every corner of my hair, every itchy part, so I can get rid of all the dandruff in my hair. Ensure you clean the scalp properly with the cotton. You touch every nook and cranny of your scalp, and ensure you also clean that major part you usually have itch at every point in time. After this treatment, after cleaning with the cotton, then you can now, after shampooing your hair, you're going to carry that for like 30 minutes. You're going to let it sit for like 30 minutes. Then you can go wash your hair with your regular shampoo. You can use your medicated shampoo. You can use your anti-dandruff shampoo. You can use any shampoo you want to use. Then after washing your hair, you rinse it. Then you take the water in the bottle, then you rinse your hair again with it. You let it sit for another 15 minutes. Then you do normal rinsing, no shampoo this time. You just rinse properly. Trust me, you're not going to feel any sign of dandruff anymore. Do this at least once a month, and that's the end of dandruff in your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you've come this far, if you've watched this video this far, that means you really like what you're watching. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it if you feel someone needs it. And I'm trying to achieve 1,000 subscribers. Kindly join this family of mine and you wouldn't regret it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Now you've been my joy of tomorrow, yeah. My pretty queen, I want you to know I can serve you with my life and my soul, yeah. I can do anything with it. go be my ifunanya. I give all I have and I swear to know you. Now you go be my hero.